Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, March 31st. It is a Wednesday. That means it's an async day. We will not meet together on Zoom as a class. Let's see what you have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click async. You have two activities to do. The first one is a Nearpod on the 4 types of evidence. This Nearpod is very important to take notes because we will be using this information when we start writing our essays. So you click join lesson, and then you're going to read and take notes. Read and take notes on the 4 types of evidence. And then you'll do a matching, and then you'll find the evidence and say what kind of evidence it is. Find the evidence and say what kind of evidence it is. Same here. And play another game, and that's it. Then we go to our next activity. So in your book, there's an article called Creating a Dynamic Cover Letter, but you're not going to read it yet. You're going to, based on this, you're going to, on the title, you will figure out what the purpose is of the text. Why do you think it was written? What kind of information do you expect? And just type it here in the box. And that's it for today. Tomorrow we will be meeting in another Zoom room to do our One World kickoff. Okay, One World is our writing program. So tomorrow will be another Zoom room to learn more about our writing program and about our essays that we will be writing. And that's it. Good luck.